Time signatures are the things at the start of the music, the funny numbers at the start of music. Sometimes you'll see them through music as well, that look like a fraction. So today I want to talk about how to break that down into information that kind of makes sense. Most of the music that we play has some sort of time structure, and I say most of the music, and I'm looking at you, Eric Satie, will have a time signature. Eric had the habit of sometimes just making free-form music that didn't have any time signature, which is odd. But anyway, it worked for him. The basic breakdown is the two numbers. As I said, it's like a fraction, if you like. So if you've got 4/4, you've got two numbers. The top number tells you how many beats are in the bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of value there is for each beat. Okay, so we'll quickly go over the easiest number first, the one that everybody knows about. Well, unless they've never read music. Anyway, this is the one that tells you how many beats there are in a bar. So if there's a 4 in the top, there's 4 beats in the bar. If there's a 6 in the top, there's 6 beats in the bar. If there's 2 in the top, never mind, you get the point. Also, just a quick bit of information as well. If there's 4 beats in the bar, what happens when you get to beat 4? Well, you get a bar line, and then you go back to beat 1 again. So if I have 2 bars in 4/4, I would, or measures, whatever you want to call them, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and that would obviously continue because 2 bars of music is very short. There's bigger bits of music out there. Okay, the bottom number, which is the one that not everybody seems to know about, and it's not quite as straightforward as the top number, sadly, is the one that tells you what each beat is equal to. Right, so far we've talked about, we know the top number says, yes, there's 4 beats in the bar, yes, there's 2 beats in the bar. But the bottom number, what it doesn't tell you is what is the value of 1 beat. Now, there's a couple of different ways of learning note values. I was kind of brought up learning about crotchets and minims and semibreves and quavers. The other method, if you like, uses fractions, and it's actually worth knowing these. So you've got your semibreve, which is a whole note. You've got your minim, which is a half note. Crotchet, quarter note. Quaver, eighth note. Right, it goes further, obviously, and I'm not going to go into that just now. The most common time signature you'll see at the moment is probably, when you start, sorry, is 4/4 or 2/4. Now, we've got a 4 in the bottom, right? So we already know there's either 2 or 4 beats in the bar, and we've got the 4 in the bottom. So if you know the alternative naming system for note values, you can figure out what each beat is equal to. So in a 4/4 bar, I mentioned a second ago that a crotchet is also known as a quarter note. Now, if you take the music away and just look at fractions, if you like, we've got 4/4. Now, we know that 1 beat is going to be equal to a crotchet when we see 4/4, because if we look at the alternate name for a crotchet, which is a quarter note, and we write that as a fraction, it's like 1/4, and that's what tells you that piece of information. Hopefully that makes sense. That's all there is to time signatures. There is more stuff like compound time signatures, simple time, duple time, and stuff like that, but that's not in the scope of this video. I'll cover that in another video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions about time signatures, please shove them into the comments below, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers.